How to book a hotel room on booking.com. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video tutorial, we'll be discussing about booking a hotel room on booking.com application. So now let's get started. First of all, you have to open any web browser and go to booking.com, or you can also use the application of booking.com. Once you're on the site or once you launch the application, make sure that you're logged in with your specific account. In the top of the homepage, enter the location where you want to find a hotel. For example, I'll be using Bali and include my check in and check out dates as well. Make sure to fill in the details for the number of adults and children traveling with you, and after that, click on the search button. This will show you a list of available hotels over there, and scroll through the options and select a hotel that fits your preferences and budget. Inside the hotel listing, you will see different room options. Click on the room you want and then select the next step. On the next page, you will need to provide your information to complete the booking, and in some cases, you may be required for the prepayment. So that's it. So if you found this guide helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to our channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.